Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, where we expose trending products, shady websites, and scammy gadgets before they drain your wallet. Today, we're reviewing something that's been flooding your feeds, the Zippi Hydro Cleaner. It promises pressure wash level cleaning with just a hose. But is it the real deal? Or a hyped-up garden gimmick? Let's find out. The Zippi Hydro Cleaner is marketed as a powerful, eco-friendly jet sprayer that turns your regular garden hose into a mini pressure washer. Great for patios, cars, windows, and more, or so they say. They claim it uses hydro technology to blast away dirt without needing gas, electricity, or expensive machines. Sounds perfect. Maybe too perfect. Let's start with what they don't tell you. First off, this is basically a 5R metal nozzle with a slightly fancy tip. The so-called pressure is just water pressure from your faucet. There's no motor, no boost, no science, just hype. Real users say it's underwhelming, barely better than a spray bottle, and doesn't clean anything stuck on. Many were shocked by the cheap plastic threads that cracked after just one use. Another red flag? The price. Zippi Hydro Cleaner is often sold for $9.99, and they love those fake countdown timers and limited time deals. But dig a little deeper, and you'll find identical tools on AliExpress or Amazon for $6, sometimes even less. You're not paying for premium cleaning tech, you're paying for marketing and markup. So, is the Zippi Hydro Cleaner worth it? In my honest opinion, no. It's an overhyped hose attachment that doesn't do anything special. If you're looking for real power cleaning, you're better off renting a pressure washer or buying a basic spray nozzle for a fraction of the price. Seen this product? Tried it yourself? Drop your story in the comments. And if you've got a scammy product you want me to investigate next, let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a scam alert. This is Online Scam Advisor, keeping your wallet safe, one review at a time. Thank you.